Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your motherboard uses UEFI Secure Boot and record the firmware version. Next, make a backup of critical data and export any BIOS/UEFI profiles so you can recover settings. Once done, update Nzxt CAM and the motherboard firmware to the latest stable release. This prevents compatibility problems. You should also disable legacy CSM if enabled, because Secure Boot requires UEFI-only mode, and make sure you have administrator access to change firmware settings. You now enter the firmware setup and switch to UEFI-only boot by disabling legacy/CSM. This is essential because Secure Boot enforces signed binaries under UEFI. Once in the Secure Boot menu, select the appropriate mode, user or standard, depending on whether you plan to manage keys manually. Then install or reset the platform key, key exchange key, and the allowed/revoked signature databases, DB and DBX. Make sure to save changes, and note that altering keys can block unsigned bootloaders, so proceed carefully. Finish by saving settings and rebooting to verify the operating system boots with Secure Boot active. Check the firmware log for Secure Boot events to confirm enforcement. If the system fails to boot, immediately revert to your exported BIOS profile or temporarily disable Secure Boot to regain access. To resolve persistent signature errors, switch to signed bootloaders and drivers, or enroll your own keys into the DB via the firmware key management. If needed, update the revoked signatures, DBX, and repeat verification until stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.